Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and are healthy. Students, today we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 1.4, chapter number 1, that is integers. Question number 2 says, verify that a divided by into bracket b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c for each of the following values of a, b and c. Students, here they have given the values of a, b and c. It is having two parts. In both the part they have given us the value of a, b and c. We have to put these values in LHS and RHS one after the other and verify that LHS is not equal to RHS. That is all we have to verify in this question. So without wasting time, let us start. First is A is equal to, part A is equal to 12, B is equal to -4 and C is equal to 2. Putting this value in LHS and RHS, we get, let us solve what we get. What is LHS first? Therefore LHS is equal to A divided by B plus C. And what is RHS? RHS is equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. We will put the values of A, B and C in LHS and RHS and see what happens. A is equal to 12 divided by B is -4 plus C is 12. First I am solving only LHS. 12 we will keep as it is. -4 plus 2. Two integers with unlike sign. We subtract numerical value. So 4 minus 2 is 2 and give the sign of the larger integer. So it is -2. Now 12 divided by -2, which 12 which I can write as 6 into 2 divided by -2. 2 ones are and 2 will cancel out. So we left with 6 divided by -1, which is equal to -6. LHS is equal to -6. Now let us see what RHS gives us. A is equal to 12 divided by B is -4 plus A is equal to 12 divided by C is equal to 2. First let us divide this bracket. So 12 divided by 4 plus 12 divided by 2. Here students, in 4's table 12 goes, so 4 ones are and 4 threes are. So I will write 3 divided by -1, which will become -3 because minus sign will go in numerator. So it will become -3 plus 2 ones are and 2 sixes are. So it will be +6. Now -3 plus 6, two integers with unlike sign. So we will subtract the numerical value, that is 6 minus 3 will be 3 and give the sign of the larger value, that is plus. So we got RHS, we got 3. If you see LHS, it is -6, RHS is 3. So we will write here LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Hence verified. Students, now we are going to solve part B. So let me write the value of part B. In B they have given us part B, A is equal to 12, B is equal to A is equal to minus 10, students, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1. Again we will solve as we have solved part A, putting these values in LHS and RHS. We get LHS is equal to A divided by B plus C, and RHS is equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. So let us put each value here. A is minus 10 divided by B is 1 plus C is 1. So here we get minus 10 divided by 2, which we can write as minus 10 divided by 2, and when we cancel out 2 ones are and 2 5s are, we get our answer as minus 5. LHS is equal to minus 5. Now let us solve RHS. RHS, A is equal to minus 10 divided by 1 plus A is equal to minus 10 again divided by 1. Anything, students, anything divided by 1 will give us the same number, minus 10 divided by 1. So we will get minus 10 plus minus 10. So we are adding two integers with the same sign. So we will add 10 plus 10 is 20 and keep the common value, that is minus 20. So we got RHS is equal to minus 20. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence, therefore we will write, therefore A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C, and hence verified. So we have solved the two parts of question number 2. Hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through it once more. We will meet with question number 3 in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye bye.